what is the true religion? What is the true religion amongst all the religions which are prevalent on earth? Which is the primary, which is the foremost, which is the best? I as a Sikh will say Sikhi or Sikhism. My Christian friend will say Christianity. My Muslim friend will say Islam. And we would similarly have pride in our respective faiths. That definitely must be so. It must be that way. If I were to seek an answer from Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, our universal scripture, कि धर्म जिहड़ा वे सब तो वधिया धर्म किस तरह दा किहड़ा धर्म है? What is the best type of religion or religious practice? And Guru Arjan Dev Ji will tell me or will tell us in the composition known as Sukhmani कि सर्व धर्म में श्रेष्ठ धर्म हर को नाम जप निर्मल करम. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, I'm not interested in isms like you are. I'm interested in whether you are searching for your source or not, whether you are attempting to reunite with your source or not, whether you are indulging in Naam, whether you are doing Naam Jap, because Naam Japna or remembering God or meditating on the Lord, these are modes by which we seek union with our source. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that's the cream. Sarva dharma mein shreshth dharam, har ko naam jap nirmal karam. The other thing is good deeds. Whether you have good deeds. Indeed, if we ask Baba Farid, Baba Farid Ji will say similarly in his beautiful sloks, Farida, amal je kite duni vich dargah aaye kam. If you have done good deeds, duni vich, in this dunya, while on earth, they will be of assistance to you in your hereafter. Amal, that means change karam, amal je kite duni vich dargah aaye kam. Similarly, Gurbani says, विच दुनिया सेव कमाई है तां दरगाह बैसन पाई है, कहो नानक बाह लुड़ाई है. गुरु जी कहते ने कि इस दुनिया दे विच रहंदियां विचरदियां ये काहदे वास्ते आसी दुनिया दे विच किस तरह दे काम करने ने. इस तरह दे काम नहीं करने चार गवाया हंड कह चार गवाया सम, फिर लेखा मंग रब मंगेसिया तू आओ के आओ केरे काम. चार गवाया हंड कह, दैट मींस यू नो मजियां विच चार पैर व्यर्थ गए, चार गवाया सम सौ के बाकी चार पैर व्यर्थ गए. गुरु जी कहते ने नहीं, as long as असी इस दुनिया दे विच रहंदे विचरदे तां कुछ ना कुछ भला करिए, कुछ ना कुछ सेवा दे विच लगे रहिए. विच दुनिया सेव कमाई है, ये गल्लां ये चीजां इत्थे भी सहाई ने ते इस तो बाद भी परलोक भी सहाई होणगियां. तो आओ अज दा खास एक स्पेशल सैशन है जो कि साडे फ्रंट लाइनर्स ने, our front liners who are out there, unlike us, we are sitting in the comforts and the sanctity of our homes. We are enjoying ourselves, you know. Some of us like us, we may do a little bit of part and then we watch a lot of TV and we sit around and well, you know, we are just following our Prime Minister. I'm sure I think I recall Prime Minister saying, you know, dudo diam tingo HBO. So we are just listening to the Prime Minister. We are very good citizens. Unlike us, HBO and Netflix. Unlike us, there are our brothers and sisters who are going out, who are going out there on the battlefield, on exactly to where we will probably not want to go near. You know, the people who are walking the streets, who really don't have any source of income, who don't have any mode or any manner of sustenance, who live on a day-to-day basis, who don't have even, you know, the basic essentials, the basic amenities that we are enjoying, which are what? Roti, kapda or makan. Food, shelter, air, water. We have all these things, we take these things for granted, but not many who are out there on the streets, living on the streets. And we would like to dedicate today's session in salutation to those of you, those of our service providers, those sevadars who are going out on the streets and feeding the hungry, feeding the needy, feeding the poor, feeding the destitute. And those of our frontliners who are receiving, you know, positive, those who are, you know, positive, diagnosed as, you know, positive cases, those who are giving hands-on treatment, risking their own health, risking their own well-being. We like to, you know, we have been cooking beautiful dishes, and we post pictures of those nice mouth-watering savory dishes on Facebook, on social media, on Instagram. We sometimes depict, you know, our family is doing this, we are playing board games, we are having a good time, we are having a nice family bonding time, we are posting these things on a daily basis. You think those who are going out there on the streets, they do not want to have these luxuries? Of course they want to as well. So that is a part of their lives which they are sacrificing in dedication to the poor and to the destitute and the needy. And we want to salute these people. And of course I will have a little something to say a little bit later. We have sung this Shabad in the run-up to Vaisakhi 2020 and in conjunction with Vaisakhi. Surah Bhagat Kabir ji Shabad, Surah so pehchaniye jo ladaye deen ke het. Purja purja kat mara kabuna chhadaye khet. Bhagat Kabir ji says, you want to recognize a warrior? How do you recognize a true surma? Or surah? Surah means surma. Surma means warrior. Surah so pehchani hai. Surme di pehchan is tarah mein ladaye deen ke het. That surma, that person fights for the needy. Jo ladaye deen ke het. Purja purja kat mara. In the battlefield, such a person can receive many blows, multiple attacks, risks multiple attacks, yet he never forsakes the battlefield. And this is exactly applicable, 100% applicable to our frontliners, our great doctors, our nurses, our hospital staff, our police personnel, army personnel, enforcement agencies, those who are ensuring that the MCO is observed, because many of us are very naughty, very delinquent. We try and, you know, escape the MCO and try to bend the rules. That's what we do. Our gurdwaras have been amazing. I don't want to single out any particular gurdwara. I will say all gurdwaras have been more than amazing. They have been preparing hundreds and cumulatively thousands and thousands of meals are going out from our gurdwaras to the streets, to the needy, to the homeless, to the hungry. So let us start off the kirtan today. We have sung this Shabad, but we will sing it again, and this is a tribute to our frontliners. Surah so pehchaniye, Surah so pehchaniye, poster with these beautiful words: hands that serve are holier than lips that pray. It is easier to sit down and do prayers. Open the Gudka or open your holy scripture and read some prayers. That is not difficult. That is not a difficult task. Though I qualify that statement, it can be fairly difficult if you are getting your mind to be single-pointedly focused on what it is that you are meditating upon. That can be quite a task. Otherwise, to open the Gudka and sit down can be done by anybody. To actually get off our lazy chairs, our comfort zones, and actually move our limbs, utilize our entire body for good, towards service. That is something which is blessed to not very many. Which is why till today we remember greats such as Mother Teresa, such as Bhagat Pooran Singh. Bhagat Pooran Singh, until today, any image, if you want to Google up Bhagat Pooran Singh and the Pingalwada that Bhagatji started to treat those who had leprosy and to treat the poor and the destitute and the sick and the sickly who were left to rot on the streets. Bhagat Pooran Singh, one of his first patients, was not actually his patient. He was a leper who Bhagatji carried from the time when that leper was a very young, very small person, young man, young adult who could be carried. And ever since the time when Bhagat Ji carried that young boy, that leaper had, hugged Bhagat Ji. Of course, nobody would even dream of touching such a person. But those who are men of God, or people, men and women of God, who have dedicated their entire life towards service, they are not concerned about petty things like for us, I would call it petty hygiene. Of course, I'm not saying don't force. It is very important to observe hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, use the sanitizers. Bhagat Puran Singh went to the streets, touched those people, bathed those people, fed those people, and that leper who had clung around Bhagat Ji's neck had continued to cling around his neck until both of them were of very old age. And anyone used to ask Bhagat Ji, who is this? Bhagat Ji used to say only one word, this is my gehna. This is my decoration. ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਗਹਿਣਾ ਵੇ. ਅਸੀਂ ਗਹਿਣੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਹਿਨਦੇ ਆ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਗਹਿਣੇ ਹਨਾ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਹਾਰ necklaces, and that was Bhagat Ji's gehna. That was his decorative item, decorative piece, which he held with pride. So few are such people like Mother Teresa, like Bhagat Puran Singh, like Tan Sri Guru Amar Das Ji Maharaj. Before that, Sa seva kiti safal hai, jit Satgur ka man manne. Sa seva kiti safal hai, jit Satgur ka man manne. उस तरह की सेवा सफल ही है जिस सेवा कीतियां साहिब साडे ते खुश होण, साहिब साडे ते प्रसन्न होण। ते जदों साहिब साडे ते खुश ते प्रसन्न होणगे तां फिर की होएगा? असी इकट्ठी कीती हुई है जन्म जन्म की मल इस मन को लागी, काला हुआ शिया। ये काला शिया मन धोता जांदा वे सेवा द्वारा। जित सतगुर का मन मन्या, जहां सतगुर का मन मन्या, ਜਦੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਸੰਨ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਆ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਪਾਪ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਾਂ ਕੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਰੈ ਬਖਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਤਾਂ ਕਾ ਲੇਖਾ ਨਾ ਗਨੈ ਜਗਦੀਸ਼, ਤਾਂ ਪਾਪ ਕਸਮਲ ਭੰਨੇ। सेम ऐस धर्म राय दर कागद फारे, जिन नानक लेखा समझा। मन धोवो शब्द लागो, हर सियों रहो चित लाए। मतलब शब्द दे नाल लगन विच, नाम दे नाल जुड़न दे विच अते सेवा दे नाल लग्या साडा मन धोता जांदा वे। धन धन साहिब श्री गुरु अमरदेव जी महाराज जी, when we talk about सेवा, we think about धन धन श्री गुरु अमरदास जी महाराज। धन धन श्री गुरु अमरदास जी महाराज। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे। भले अमरदास गुण तेरे, भले अमरदास गुण तेरे, भले अमरदास गुण तेरे। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे। कनहर बूंद बसोमावे, कुसुम बसंत कनक गाया। रब सस गिर उधर सागर को, गंग तरंग अंत को पावे। रुद्र ध्यान ध्यान सतगुर के, कब जन पल मुन है जो गावे, कब जन पल मुन है जो गावे। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे। भले अमरदास गुण तेरे, भले अमरदास गुण तेरे। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तोहे बैन आवे, बैन आवे। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, भले अमरदास गुण तेरे, भले अमरदास गुण तेरे। तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तेरी उपमा तोहे बैन आवे, तोहे बैन आवे, तोहे बैन आवे। राग अमीर अमीर। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਭਰਿਆ ਸੀ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ। ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਾਲਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤਮ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਧਿਆਇਆ ਜਿਸ ਡਿਠੇ ਸਭ ਦੁਖ ਜਾਏ। ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਬਿਰਧ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ 올ਡ ਏਜ, Guru Amardas ji was in the service of Guru Angad Dev ji. At that time, Guru Amardas ji was not Guru yet, of course, and Baba ji, Guru ji was called Amru. And Guru ji, as we know, daily, in order for Guru Angad Dev ji Maharaj to do Ishnan in the mornings, actually twice a day, mornings and evenings, Guru Amardas ji used to walk barefooted a distance of about 12 kilometers to get supplies of water from the river. And when Guruji used to walk back towards where Guru Amar Das Ji was, Guru Angad Dev, Guru Amar Das Ji, when Guru Amar Das Ji used to walk towards the river, Guru Amar Das Ji used to walk in reverse gear, so that only his front will be facing the Guru's house, कि गुरु नू पिठ ना हो जावे। तां इस तरह करके रिवर्स पैदल तुरदे हुंदे सन धन धन गुरु अमरदास जी महाराज, बाबा अमरू जी। And when it was time for the passing on of the Gurgaddi to Baba Amru, at that time people used to call Baba Amru, you know what? Some people used to dismiss him as a mad person. And sometimes, you know, it takes a little bit of obsession, if you like. You know, I know of individuals, we all know of certain individuals who have been doing tireless seva. I don't want to mention names. I don't want to pick out any one person over another. But we know of individuals who have worked very, very tirelessly and who have been subjected to so much of, you know, ups and downs, criticism, criticized for this and that. Why do we need to criticize? I posted this on my Facebook page as well. Okay, let us, you know, hold our horses a little bit. If we need to criticize or condemn anybody, let us start with ourselves. जे तू अकल लतीफ काले लिखना लेख आपनड़े गिरीमान में सिर नीवा कर दे फरीदा। जे तू अकल लतीफ काले लिखना लेख, if you have some sense, if you have some common sense, don't make black markings. That means, you know, kale likhna lekh. You don't need to, whenever we talk bad about somebody or gossip or criticize or chugli ninda behind their backs, something which we are very, very fond of, we are writing black lekh on our karma. So Baba Fariji says, you know, come on, be a little bit smart. Je tu akal latif kale likhna lekh. अपने अंदर झाती मार के वेख, उत्थे बथेरा कुछ मिल जाएगा। ठीक करने वास्ते तेरे अंदर बथेरा कुछ मिल जाएगा। And we don't need to, you know, those who are actually sacrificing their time and their money and who are going out to the streets, if there are a few pictures of them serving food to the needy, and if that inspires somebody like me to think, oh my goodness, I should be doing the same. What is so wrong about posting such a picture? ते सानू चुभदा की है? इन्हां लोकां तो सानू की चुभदा वे? Why must we dismiss these people as egotistical? सुखिए को पेखे सब सुखिया, रोगी के भाणे सब रोगी. The truth is this, according to Guruji, that if you are going to judge somebody as egotistical, judge somebody as proud, that means you have pretty much of that in yourself. And if you are at peace with yourself, you will see the beauty in what they are doing. You will see the beauty. And the thing is, well, some people like me, you know, we go out, I go out, if I do something nice, I need a little bit of, you know, some encouragement. I need somebody to say, well done. And you know what? That will spur me to do even more, because I want that well done. I want that pat. So if people require pats on their back, give them the pats on their back. What is going to come of it? What is the end result? They will do even more service. They will be spurred. They will be encouraged to do even more. Good for the needy. Good for the poor. Good for the hungry. What is so bad about that? Who are we to pass judgment? What is the function of Guru and God? Leave that to Guru and God. Let us not become Guru or God. ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁੜੀਏ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਉਪਰੰਤ ਬੀਬੀ ਕਵਲਨੈਨ ਕੌਰ ਅਤੇ ਬੀਬੀ ਗੁਰਸਿਮਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨਗੀਆਂ। ਸਾ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਸਫਲ ਹੈ, ਜਿਤ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਕਾ ਮਨ ਮੰਨੇ। ਸਾ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਸਫਲ ਹੈ, ਜਿਤ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਕਾ ਮਨ ਮੰਨੇ। ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਜਿ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਤਲਾਏ ਮਨ ਚਿੰਦਿਆ ਫਲ ਪਾਵਣਾ ਹਉਮੈ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਾਏ। ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਰਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਵੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, let us, whatever it is, whatever people say, let them say, as far as we service providers, the service providers are concerned, do it with a clear conscience and to appease the Guru only, just to appease the Guru and to not have any other intention, because Maharaj Ji says seva kart hoye nekami, jehda nishkam seva karda hoye, that means without any kamna, without any purpose, without any hope of something back, something in return, sa sev सेवा करत होए ने कामी तिसको होत प्राप्त स्वामी। और छोटिया मोटिया चीज़ां दी गल छड्डो, उन्होंने स्वामी दी प्राप्त होंदी है। आओ प्यार दे नाल, one of the purposes, one of the main reasons that we indulge in seva is so that we become more humble, so that our ego, our I-ness, our man goes away, and that will make space for what? For Naam, because that is what is going to ultimately grant us deliverance। आओ प्यार दे नाल, सतगुर पूरै कीनी दात, हर हर नाम दियो किरपन को, भई कीर्तन को, भई हमारी गात। आओ प्यार दे नाल। ਸਮਰੱਥ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਿਰ ਹੱਥ ਧਰਿਓ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਿਰ ਹੱਥ ਧਰਿਓ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਿਰ ਹੱਥ ਧਰਿਓ
Hare Rama
ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ, ਹੋਰ ਜਾਗਰਤੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਖਸ਼ਣ। ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਦਰਸਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤਿਨਾ ਦੇਖ ਮਨ ਚਾਓ ਉਠੰਦਾ, ਹਉ ਕਦ ਪਾਈ ਗੁਣ ਤਾਸਾ, ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਮੰਗ, ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ। ਇਤਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ, ਕੀਰਤਨ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਖਿਮਾ ਬਖਸ਼ੋ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।